San Jose, California is a place where people are figuring out how to make cars that drive themselves. Holograms, virtual realities, robots who can perform miraculous surgeries. Amazing feats of technology. But it's also a place where people can't figure out how to provide shelter for their homeless. A new report in High Country News provides an in-depth look at just how sad it is. The report is a follow-up for what went down last year in San Jose. A California Department of Fish and Wildlife game warden filed a formal complaint to water authorities, saying the garbage and human waste piled up along Coyote Creek were a health and environmental hazard. Those hazardous piles happened to accumulate there because of a homeless encampment dubbed the Jungle. The complaint was a way for the city to kick out all the homeless along the creek. It was the first time the county was framing homelessness as an environmental threat instead of just a social disgrace. It was a quick fix to get rid of the homeless, and on the surface it appeared to work. The Jungle was dismantled and hundreds of homeless were made to move on. Problem solved, right? Hardly. A year later, hundreds of those ex-Jungle residents are still homeless. San Jose still has the 7th largest homeless population in the whole country, about 6,500 souls. And unlike other cities like New York, where the majority of the homeless have access to city-run shelters, San Jose lacks the resources to deal with their homeless. As a result, about 75% of their homeless have to live outdoors. Most are now still living on the streets or along creeks, under bridges, anywhere they can exist without being arrested for not being able to afford shelter. So the Jungle's residents might be out of sight and out of mind now, but they're definitely still there, and they're still homeless. The High Country report points out that the United Nations was able to set up a refugee camp in Jordan for about 1 million people in 1 week. A year after displacing homeless people from Canyon Creek for environmental reasons, San Jose still has thousands of residents with no shelter. The report also points out that the county was able to organize a Super Bowl in a year, which is a big feat in America, with no problem. But housing the homeless, that's just too big a task, apparently. So the city that can figure out how to turn your phone into a pocket computer can't figure out how to house its homeless. If that doesn't shed some light on the sad state of our priorities, I don't know what does. Tonight, let's talk about that.